Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have a kitchen t-shirt design bundle. These files for Adobe Illustrator user. Here is first file is DFX, here is EPS, and the second is SVG file. Every design have three different files, I mean three different format, so you can use it and edit it. So I show you these are, wow, you can change color and write your any text. Warm fresh milk, okay. Coming of the kitchen. Okay, you can edit it in Adobe Illustrator. First I drag this file on Adobe Illustrator. Here's our layer area. You can see, you can change color like this, and you can change title. This color, shape color are like this, okay. And you see here the color is changed, everything is editable. I close this file and open another file like this. Drag on Adobe Illustrator, okay. You change color, you can adjust your own work. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.